Chance, what are you doing? What are you doing, buddy? Playing with Cookie? Huh? The other dogs are regulating the game. Anyway, Peanut, please be quiet. Anyway, I think you get the gist of it. This can go on for a while. Let's see if I can stop it. Cookie! Chance! What's up? Yeah, I guess I could stop it by yelling. Good boy! Good boy. I know. Good boy. I know. Good boy. I know. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Back to some more playing, right?